Welcome everyone to another episode of the journey through apostolic succession. Acts chapter 6 verses 6 says, "They had these men stand before the apostles, who prayed and laid their hands on them." We see that apostolic authority is transferred to the laying on of hands, that is ordination. This authority was transferred beyond the original 12 apostles as the church has grown. So today we hear about our 82nd Pope in apostolic succession, Pope John V, who was known for his generosity with the poor. He served as the 82nd Pope as head of the Catholic Church. Unfortunately, he only served for a little over a year. Interesting facts. Pope John V was officially consecrated on July 23, 685. His papacy ended on August 2, 686 due to his death. Pope John V was succeeded by Pope Conon. As a deacon, he was one of those who represented the Apostolic See at the Sixth Oecumenical Council. Pope John V was the first pope of the Byzantine papacy that was consecrated without prior imperial approval. His contributions. His dedication to helping the poor was one of his biggest legacies. It's believed that his generosity inspired some of his immediate predecessors. He gave 1,900 solidi to the clergy to support the churches and the poor. Pope John V earned the favor of the new emperor, Justinian II. He reduced the taxes on the papal patrimonies of Sicily and Calabria. It generally reduced the fiscal burdens from which the church suffered. His one disciplinary act was regarding the See of Turus on the island of Sardinia. The Archbishop of Cagliari on Sardinia had certain metropolitan benefits. However, consecrating bishops was not one of them. John heard of this and definitively declared the See of Turus was subject directly to the Holy See, eliminating the independence the Archbishop thought was his. The death. The exact cause of the death is unknown. He was around the age of 51 at the time of his death, so it is thought that he died of natural causes. The body of Pope John V was buried at the papal tombs in old St.Peter's Basilica. That's all for today. Thank you all for listening, and please stay tuned for our next episode. Please like, share and spread the word to everyone around you, for Christ and for the church. God bless you all.